Okay, last problem, 16C. I got side, 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 have to use log cosines. I'm going to go figure out y first. So y is opposite of 42. So 42 squared is going to be on the outside to equal 58 squared plus 64 squared minus 2 times 58 times 64 cosine of the unknown angle. Okay, 58 squared plus 64 squared. Get this amount. 2 times 58 times 64. I get this amount. And then 42 squared on the outside. 1,764. Now, the most important concept here is that you cannot subtract this number from 7,460. It's attached by times in cosine y, so instead I need to subtract 7,460 over to the left side. So I'm going to subtract 7,460 from that number. I get negative 5696, which equals negative 7424 cosine y. Now I can get rid of it by dividing by that to the other side. Now I'm going to divide by negative 7424. I get my cosine of y to be 0.76724. Get the angle, inverse cosine. So I get the angle to be about 40 degrees. 39.8. 40 degrees. Now I could go ahead and use law of sines to get angle x, because now I have a side with the angle. So now I could do sine of 40 over 42, which equals now what's opposite of the x, angle 58. So sine of x over 58. Cross multiply again. 58 times the sine of 40 divided by 42. 58 times the sine of 40 divided by 42. Get the angle. I do inverse sine of that. So my angle is 62.6. I'll make it, 62.6 degrees, or even 63 degrees is good. There's my answers.